Susan Moore with Hallmark Sotheby's International Realty is pleased to present another gorgeous townhome in the popular Sam Reed Villa community in Upton. The home opens to a wonderfully sun-splashed living and dining room combo, where hardwood floors and crown molding add elegance to this warm and inviting area. The current owners have modified the traditional floor plan to include a cozy family room. Stepping out onto the rear deck, you're greeted with the breathtaking sweeping woodland and skyline views unique to this unit. An updated powder room leads to the modern kitchen, trimmed with cherry cabinets, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, an ample pantry, and a breakfast bar. Hardwood floors are carried to the second floor hallway, where a laundry room leads the way to 4 generous bedrooms, a unique feature for this community. The 2 rear bedrooms both offer wonderfully unobstructed pastoral views, and 3 of the bedrooms share a common hallway full bathroom. The master bedroom features a vaulted tray ceiling, an ample walk-in closet, and a private full bathroom of its own. The finishing of the daylight walkout lower level has begun, and it's ready for your final touches. You'll enjoy front row seats to the picturesque sunsets from your west-facing deck, as well as the extreme close proximity to the community playground and picnic area. To schedule a private tour of this deluxe 4-bedroom townhome, please contact Susan Moore with Hallmark Sotheby's International Realty.